Hey guys, welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Ekta. Welcome to my channel. Now we all know that smoky eyes are everyone's favorite and can go with any outfit. So today I'm going to show you that how you can do this quick smoky eye look. If you're new here, please take a moment to subscribe. I post new videos every Tuesdays and Saturdays at 9 p.m. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started. First of all, I'm using a spoolie to brush my eyebrows. This will make sure that you don't have any product on your brows. And later on, I'm going to fill in the sparse areas of my eyebrows using the dark brown shade. I'm not using any cream product for my eyebrows here. I'm using a powder product from my eyeshadow palette. You can also use an eyebrow palette to fill in your eyebrows and brush it off to remove any excess product. Now to get that clean look, I'm using a concealer below and above my eyebrows. This will make sure that I get a crisp and neat eyebrows, and later on merge the concealer into your forehead and onto your eyelids. To set those eyelids, use a translucent powder, otherwise your eyes will start creasing in the middle of application of eyeshadow. Now I'm using this orange shade as my transition shade and I'm blending it completely using a blending brush. There are going to be no harsh lines into my crease. And now I'm using a dark brown shade onto my crease using a very small brush. This is to be applied only in the crease area, and this is going to be blended well with the orange shade. Use a fluffy blending brush to blend it all. And now here comes the trick to get that jet black smoky eyes. That use a gel liner first onto your eyelids. You can either use a gel liner or you can use a kajal pencil to get that jet effect of smoky eyes. You should have experienced that whenever you use only black eyeshadow, it turns grey. But if you use this technique of applying the gel eyeliner first and above it you use the black eyeshadow, your smoky eyes will look really effective. It will have a very good intensity of black color in it. If you don't use this technique, it will somehow convert to grey. So after that, you have to blend everything. You have to blend the black eyeshadow into the brown one so that there are no harsh lines. Now I'm highlighting under my brow bone and using the same highlight into the inner corner of my eyes to make my eyes appear bigger and lit up. After completing the above lid, I am moving to the face makeup, and later on I'll do the lower part of my eyes. So I've applied an orange corrector onto the dark spots of my face and using a beauty blender to blend it. Now I'm using the foundation from Kryolan Derma and using a flat foundation brush to blend my foundation. All the products that I've used, you can get the link in the description box, so please check the description box. Now I'm using a damp beauty sponge to set my foundation. This will make sure that your foundation gets set properly and there is no excess product on your face. Now I'm using the same foundation, just one shade lighter under my eyes. This will make sure that my eyes doesn't look very dark because of the smoky effect, and it doesn't look very dull, or it doesn't make my eyes look dark. So make sure that you use one shade lighter concealer under your eyes. I'm not going to focus much on the face with highlighting and contouring, just under the eyes. And now I'm setting this with translucent powder. Make sure that as soon as you apply concealer under your eyes, blend it and use a translucent powder at the same time, otherwise your eyes will start creasing and that looks very bad. I'm using a light brown shade to contour and blush at the same time. I'm not using any product. I'm not going to contour very much. My complete focus is on the eyes. For my lips also, I'm using a very nude lip liner to line my lips, and later on I'll fill it with a liquid lipstick which is very nude as well. So first of all, I'm using this nude lip liner from Wet n Wild, and now I'm using this Matte Me liquid lipstick from Swiss Beauty. This is a beautiful nude shade which is in warm tone. This makeup is completely in warm tone. If you want to see the cool tone or the pink tone version of this one, you can check, one link is given in the description box, or also you can check the iCard button above to see that video if you want to see this makeup in cool tone with pink and peach colors. And now I'm highlighting my face. Make sure that you smile to get that perfect line where you have to highlight. This will really help to get you highlight in the perfect place and not somewhere else. So after quickly finishing the face makeup, let's complete the eye makeup. Now you have to do the lower eyes in the same order you have done the above eyes. So first I'm applying the kajal on my waterline, and then I'm using this dark brown shade that I used on my crease line. Using a eyebrow brush, you can use any smudging or smoldering brush to get that effect. I'm using the same colors as I used on the above lids, and now I'm using the orange color to smudge everything out and get that complete blended look. So you can see the effect. The effect is very beautiful. It's giving a very beautiful transition. And now to set everything and blend everything, make sure that there are no harsh lines onto the outer corner, or even if you want, you can use a nude eyeshadow to lessen the effect, or also you can use a loose powder to make everything more blended. If you have applied something extra, you can use a nude colored eyeshadow or a nude loose powder to lessen the effect. Now finishing this look using a mascara. You can even apply eyelashes to get more intensified look. And now my look is complete. Here you saw that it was so quick and so easy and so effortless, and the results are really beautiful. So you can pair this look with any outfit, any function, in daytime or in night time, wherever you like. Smoky eyes look beautiful with anyone. If you are a person of cool tone, you can check the link in the description box down below, and if you are of warm tone, you can completely follow this look. So if you found this video helpful and interesting, make sure that you give it a like. Do comment down below if you have any video request. Thanks for watching guys. Bye bye, take care, see you in the next video, and don't forget to subscribe.